Hello everyone! Welcome to our channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna go through the process of how I wash my baby's hair, um, how I pre-poo and everything. So if you would like to come along, stay tuned. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and also give the video a thumbs up for more to come. Okay? Thank you. So here we have her hair. I add moisture to it. I watered it with like this mixture that I made, papaya leaves, water, and I spritzed it, and then I sealed in the moisture using oils. And today I'm gonna go and wash her hair. So this is what her hair looks like. Okay, the ends are pretty dried, but like the length of the hair right here, it's pretty shiny. It's pretty nice. I don't think if we can see it on the computer or whatnot because of lack of light, but it's really nice. So we go through, we make sure that it's finger detangled so that way there is no knots or anything. And I just learned a new thing. I used to pre-poo her hair like a while back, but since I've been pregnant, I like energy to do everything that I used to do with her hair. So I stopped pre-pooing her hair. And I used to use various oils. But now we're going to be using grease. Um, I'll be using this one. It's Dax. Um, I used to mix it with other oils to manage her scalp, to grease her scalp before. You can see that I've used a good amount of it. But I don't really like the smell since I'm pregnant now, so that's why I still have a ton of it left. So here, taking these down, we want to be careful to not snap the hair or break it or anything like that. So now that I have this one done, I'm just gonna dab my finger in this grease and grab a little bit. And we're gonna start with where the barrette was. And then we're gonna move to the end just to coat them. And then I'm gonna go through the scalp. Is it hurting? Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, so we just go ahead and do this. What? I'm not touching it hard, yeah? Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing this for a while. I think for the next 6 months, that's how I'm gonna be doing her hair. Like twice a week, I'll wash her hair. Um, I don't have exact dates because we might go to the pool, and every time we go to the pool, I'll do a co-wash um, on her hair. But other days, we'll just be using this grease to grease her scalp, and then we'll go to a protective styling and everything. So that's what I do. Then the new process that I learned through Mrs. Mississippi's channel, it recommends washing the hair with just shampoo. First, you grease the hair, okay, and just running your fingers through any sebum and bringing it down just to coat the hair with it, and then you grease the hair, and then you follow through with shampoo. Now with her kids, I know she used some I think she used conditioners. I do have the conditioner for this one, but this time for the first 2-3 weeks to come, I'm just gonna be using shampoo only and see how her hair reacts to it, because it used to grow so fast, but it's like at a standstill. It's not really growing because I'm not doing these scalp massages that I used to do on her. And that's the length of her hair. She's 2.5, and I would like some more. Okay, so it's right here at the front. Faut-il lever tête, chérie? Faut-il lever l'enlait? Camper tête. No, she doesn't want to cooperate. Okay, here. Okay, so it's pretty good. And here, that would be considered part of the crown. Okay, and that's how it is. Okay, that's her long her hair is and stuff. So what I'll do, guys, is just take the shampoo just for that side to show you. We're not adding it a lot to the length of the hair. We're mainly adding it to the root and the edges of the hair. If you have an applicator bottle, it might be easier to get to the scalp to apply it, but don't add a ton of it. Just add a moderate amount. Okay, and then we'll just go through and massage it through, you know, just with light scalp massages, just to remove any buildup that's on the scalp. Okay, and right there. And then I'll repeat this every 3 to 4 days about, um, just to keep her hair, her scalp clean, and her pores open, so that way we can get a huge amount of growth by the time she's 3. I want to see more hair and stuff like that. Okay, so we've been on this journey a long time now. I'd say 2 years. So obviously her hair is growing, but since I've been pregnant, I like a lot of energy to devote all the time I used to devote to taking care of her hair like I used to. So now I'm just ready to catch up, as I'm less tired and really enthusiastic about it now. Okay, so that's all, and I'll go through and do the other sections as well. If you have any tips on how you do your daughter's hair or your hair, please share with me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please rate and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Mwah. Bye.